Section 1. Stand-up comedy secrets. Many people say they could never get up in front of others and speak. Indeed, public speaking is often the #1 fear many people have. Imagine getting up in front of people and making them laugh. Not only is it challenging, but you will know immediately if you succeed or fail. However, if you do have desire to get up in front of others and make them laugh, and you succeed, there is no better buzz or rush in the world. Few drugs could duplicate the rush a successful comedy performance generates. As a professional comedian for over 20 years, I am fortunate to know this feeling, and I can assure you I never tire of it. Also, as a pro for over 2 decades and well over 1,000 performances, I have figured out many crucial elements of comic success. Read on and learn many shortcuts and secrets you can implement in your own stand-up comedy career that I have learned through trial and error, by making mistakes, and from experiencing genuine, amazing comedic moments, many of which I stumbled upon by accident and have used in every show ever since.